Scarlet's has been running, as of today, 39 years. The first bake sale was February 13th, 1971. Scarlet was a school teacher, and so therefore they started the organization to raise money for children's organizations.
All proceeds raised today will be divided equally between the following non-profit organizations: the Mautner Project, Moveable Feast of Baltimore. Next item up for bid is being brought up by none other than Mr. Marilyn Luther. Nobody bet 10. Nobody bet 10 on this cake. Nobody bet 10. 10 right here, 10 right here, go get 15. 10 right here, go get 15. 15 back, go here 20. 15 back, go here 20. 15, 15, go get 20. 20 right here. 20 right here. 20 right here, do 25. 20 right here, do 20. 25 back. 25 back, go 30. 20 right there, going once. 20 right there, going twice. Mary Elizabeth, you bought your first cake of the evening. Give her a round of applause. So we got 50 in the blue over here. 50 going once. 65 going once. 65 going twice. Sold for 25. Sold a piece for $25.
275 going once, twice, 3 times. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
It's the 39th annual Scarlet's Bake Sale. It helps raise money for a lot of the local charities in the area, and then myself and Mr. DC Eagle strip off to completely nothing for a good cause, so it helps raise a lot of money. We're really happy to do it.
All right, let's give a nice round of applause. Mr. Marilyn Luther, and definitely to Mr. Matt Bamford, Mid-Atlantic Leather.